Nobody enjoys cleaning toilets, but it remains one of the most important tasks in keeping a healthy home. A clean toilet makes your bathroom look better and creates a more comfortable space for everyone. While this task might seem unpleasant at first, the right cleaning tricks can make it much easier and quicker to handle. Good news, you don't need expensive products or complicated methods to achieve a spotless toilet. Simple items sitting in your kitchen cabinets can work just as well as store-bought cleaners. The best part? Many of these cleaning solutions are safer for your family and better for the environment than harsh chemicals. This video brings together the most effective toilet cleaning methods that actually work. These practical tips will help you keep your toilet clean with less effort, using simple items you might already have at home. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Baking soda and vinegar, the natural deodorizer and stain remover. The combination of baking soda and vinegar creates an impressive cleaning reaction that tackles tough stains and eliminates unwanted odors. This natural cleaning duo works through a fizzing action that breaks down mineral deposits and dissolves stubborn grime. Simply sprinkle baking soda around the toilet bowl, followed with white vinegar, and allow the mixture to work for 10 to 15 minutes. The solution effectively removes stains while being gentle on your plumbing system. This eco-friendly method proves particularly effective against hard watermarks and persistent odors. Number 2. Coca-Cola for mineral stains. The mild acids present in Coca-Cola make it an unexpected yet effective solution for toilet cleaning. This common beverage contains properties that break down stubborn mineral deposits and rust stains in toilet bowls. Pour the soda around the bowl, ensuring complete coverage of stained areas, and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. A gentle scrub afterward reveals a remarkably clean surface. This cost-effective solution works especially well on calcium buildup and rusty discoloration. Number 3. Pumice stone for hard water ring removal. A pumice stone offers an excellent solution for removing stubborn toilet rings and mineral buildup. The naturally abrasive texture of pumice proves strong enough to eliminate tough stains while remaining gentle on porcelain surfaces when used properly. The key lies in keeping both the stone and toilet surface wet throughout the cleaning process. Move the stone in small, gentle circles across stained areas until they disappear. This method excels at removing persistent limescale and rust marks without damaging your toilet bowl. Number 4. Borax powder for deep cleaning. Borax stands as a powerful mineral-based cleaner that excels at breaking down organic matter and eliminating tough stains. This natural cleaning agent penetrates deep into surface stains and helps eliminate bacteria. Sprinkling borax into the toilet bowl and allowing it to sit overnight produces impressive results. The morning flush reveals a noticeably cleaner bowl, free of buildup and sanitized. This method proves particularly effective for toilets requiring intensive cleaning. Number 5. Hydrogen peroxide as a disinfectant. Hydrogen peroxide serves as an excellent non-toxic alternative to harsh chemical disinfectants. This cleaning solution effectively kills harmful bacteria and viruses while remaining safe for your plumbing system. A half-cup application left to sit for 30 minutes provides thorough sanitization without the harsh effects of bleach. The natural breakdown of hydrogen peroxide means it leaves no harmful residue behind. This cleaning method ensures both cleanliness and safety for all household members. Number 6. Essential oils for a fresh scent. Essential oils provide a natural solution for maintaining a fresh-smelling bathroom while contributing additional cleaning benefits. Oils such as tea tree, eucalyptus, and lavender contain natural antibacterial properties that enhance the cleaning process. Adding a few drops to the toilet bowl after cleaning creates a pleasant, long-lasting fragrance. These oils not only mask unwanted odors, but actively combat bacteria growth. The natural scents create an inviting bathroom environment without the use of artificial fragrances. Number 7. White vinegar spray for toilet seat and exterior. White vinegar acts as a powerful natural disinfectant that eliminates bacteria and grime on exterior toilet surfaces. A simple vinegar solution in a spray bottle makes quick work of cleaning the toilet seat, base, and other outer areas. The acidic properties break down buildup while killing germs that accumulate on high-touch surfaces. The solution needs minimal contact time and leaves surfaces sparkling clean. This natural cleaner proves gentle enough for daily use while maintaining excellent sanitizing power. Number 8. Dish soap for grease and grime. Regular dish soap creates an effective solution for removing accumulated grime on toilet surfaces. The grease-cutting properties make it ideal for cleaning handles, seats, and exterior surfaces that collect oils and bacteria. A small amount mixed with warm water creates a powerful cleaning solution that leaves surfaces gleaming. The mild nature of dish soap makes it safe for regular use on all toilet surfaces. This cleaning method leaves a fresh scent while ensuring thorough cleanliness. Number 9. Denture tablets for overnight cleaning. Denture tablets offer an innovative approach to toilet cleaning through their effervescent action. These tablets contain cleaning agents that work steadily throughout the night to break down stains and deposits. The bubbling action reaches areas that regular cleaning might miss, including under the rim. Morning reveals a fresh, clean toilet bowl with minimal effort required. This hands-off cleaning method proves especially useful for maintaining regular cleanliness between deep cleaning sessions. Number 10. Rubbing alcohol for quick sanitation. Rubbing alcohol delivers fast and effective sanitization for toilet handles and other high-touch areas. The quick evaporating properties leave no residue while eliminating harmful bacteria. A simple application to the flush lever and seat hinges provides immediate germ-killing action. This method requires no wiping or drying time, making it perfect for daily maintenance. Regular use helps prevent the spread of bacteria through frequently touched surfaces. Number 11. Lemon juice and baking soda for stubborn stains. The combination of lemon juice and baking soda creates a powerful natural cleaning paste for tough toilet stains. This mixture harnesses the acidic properties of lemon and the gentle abrasiveness of baking soda. The resulting paste clings to vertical surfaces while breaking down mineral deposits and discoloration. This natural solution leaves a pleasant citrus scent in addition to its cleaning power. The ingredients work together to restore the original shine to porcelain surfaces. Number 12. Automatic toilet bowl cleaner tablets. Automatic cleaner tablets provide ongoing maintenance between regular cleaning sessions when used appropriately. These tablets release measured amounts of cleaning agents with each flush to prevent buildup. The continuous action helps maintain cleanliness while reducing the frequency of deep cleaning needed. A single tablet lasts several weeks while providing consistent cleaning action. Strategic use of these tablets supports overall toilet maintenance while preventing excessive chemical exposure to plumbing systems. Number 13. Tank cleaning with vinegar and baking soda. The toilet tank requires regular cleaning to prevent mineral buildup and maintain proper function. A thorough tank cleaning with vinegar and baking soda removes accumulated deposits that can affect flush performance. This cleaning method requires emptying the tank and applying the cleaning mixture to all interior surfaces. Regular tank maintenance prevents future bowl staining and ensures optimal water flow. The natural cleaning agents leave no harmful residue in the tank system. Number 14. Tea bags for natural stain removal. Black tea contains natural tannins that excel at breaking down toilet stains and mineral deposits. These tannins create a gentle yet effective cleaning action that lifts discoloration without harsh scrubbing. Steeping several tea bags in the toilet bowl for several hours allows the natural acids to work against stubborn marks. The process leaves a subtle, pleasant scent while achieving professional cleaning results. This natural method suits regular maintenance cleaning between deep cleaning sessions. Number 15. Cornstarch for shine enhancement. Cornstarch serves as an unexpected solution for creating a lasting shine on porcelain surfaces. This common kitchen ingredient contains mild abrasive properties that polish without scratching delicate surfaces. A paste made with water allows precise application to dull or stained areas of the toilet. The fine particles lift embedded dirt while buffing the surface to a gleaming finish. Regular application maintains the original luster of porcelain fixtures. Number 16. Alum powder for mineral deposit prevention. Alum powder acts as an effective preventive measure against future mineral buildup in toilet bowls. This natural mineral compound creates a protective barrier that prevents hard water deposits and limescale formation. Weekly application helps maintain a clean bowl surface while reducing the need for intensive cleaning. The powder dissolves completely, leaving no residue in the plumbing system. This method proves especially valuable in areas with hard water issues. Number 17. Salt and cream of tartar mix. The combination of salt and cream of tartar creates an effective cleaning paste for tough toilet stains. This mixture provides gentle abrasive action, while chemical properties break down mineral deposits. The paste adheres well to vertical surfaces, allowing extended contact time with problem areas. Regular application prevents stubborn stain formation while maintaining porcelain brightness. This natural cleaning solution leaves no harsh chemical residues in the bowl. Number 18. Microfiber cloth system. A dedicated microfiber cloth system ensures thorough exterior cleaning while preventing cross-contamination. Color-coded cloths designate specific cleaning zones, maintaining proper hygiene standards throughout the bathroom. The microscopic fibers trap dirt and bacteria more effectively than traditional cleaning materials. Regular washing of microfiber cloths in hot water maintains their cleaning effectiveness. This systematic approach elevates the overall cleanliness of toilet surfaces. Number 19. Professional-grade cleaning brushes. Quality toilet cleaning brushes with replaceable heads ensure optimal cleaning results while maintaining proper hygiene. The design of professional-grade brushes allows thorough cleaning under the rim and in hard-to-reach areas. Regular replacement of brush heads prevents bacterial buildup and maintains cleaning effectiveness. Modern brush designs include antimicrobial properties and proper storage solutions for maximum hygiene. The right cleaning tools make a significant difference in achieving professional-level results. Clean bathroom, happy home. A sparkling clean toilet doesn't require expensive products or complicated techniques. These proven methods offer practical solutions for every cleaning challenge. Start with one method that suits your needs, then try others as you develop your cleaning routine. Your bathroom will stay fresh and inviting with minimal effort when you apply these effective cleaning strategies. Your bathroom deserves this attention to detail, and these methods make it achievable for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.